The mortal remains of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh have been brought at Nigam Boat Ghat in New Delhi for his last rites. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani tomorrow. The Indian Army contingent comprising 334 personnel has departed today to participate in the 18th edition of Battalion Level Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran. India has witnessed the highest ever coal production in 2023-24 year. The monthly per capita expenditure MPCE has increased by 9% in rural areas and around 8% in urban areas in 2023-24 from the level of 22-23.